Welcome to Printseekers. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to cancel an order. First, navigate to the My Orders tab from the home screen. Here, you'll find a list of all your recent orders. There are 3 types of cancellations available, depending on the status of your order. Number 1 is free cancellation. You can cancel your order with a full refund as long as the order status is set to new order and it hasn't been sent to production. This option is usually available within the first 10 minutes after placing your order. Second option is partially paid cancellation. If your order is already in production but hasn't been packaged or shipped, you can still cancel it. In this case, you'll receive a refund for the shipping costs, but not for the product itself, since it's already being printed. Finally, the third option is fully paid cancellation, which means once your order has been packaged and shipped, you can cancel it, but no refund will be provided. To cancel an order, simply locate the order you wish to cancel in the My Orders list. Check its status and select the appropriate cancellation option. Follow the prompts to complete the cancellation. And that's it! You've successfully canceled your order on Printseekers. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Thanks for choosing Printseekers.